Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to get battery percentage in iPhone. Let's start. So, I'm actually using an iPhone XR at the moment, and there may be other ways for other iPhone, but I think this is pretty much common if you want to check your battery percentage. So all you need to do, guys, is just go to settings, okay? And then from settings, you choose battery. And then from battery, there's actually an option here that would show you, what percentage you are on. So if you want to look at the last 24 hours of details of my battery, it's at 29% 14 minutes ago. So in case you're not able to update your iOS to iOS 16 just yet, you would actually only see an option like, at the top wherein you would see battery percentage and then low power mode. If you're not upgraded or updated yet to iOS 16, you could only see low power mode. Wherein, when you have that option, it would, help save your battery health. And then I also have a different tutorial for that. You can just subscribe to our channel and see a lot of iPhone tips and tricks. So here you would be able to see battery percentage now if you are on iOS 16. All you need to do is just swipe or tap on that, and you can see at the upper right or top right of the screen, it says 21 or 21%. Okay. And if you wish to just hide that, you could also just, do that and then swipe if you just want to see it. Okay. So since I'm on 21%, I could just select on low power mode as well to help me save my battery health. So there, I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please hit like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.